Debunking self-love myths. Self-love is often misunderstood as selfishness or narcissism, but in reality, it's about recognizing and valuing your own worth and well-being without neglecting others. Some people believe that self-love is just about pampering oneself with material possessions or indulging in temporary pleasures, but true self-love involves nurturing one's mental, emotional, and physical health. One common misconception is that self-love means being overly confident or having an inflated ego, but it's actually about accepting and embracing both your strengths and weaknesses. Many people assume that self-love means always putting yourself first at the expense of others, but it's about setting healthy boundaries and balancing your needs with those of others. Some individuals think that self-love is a destination to reach, but it's an ongoing journey of self-discovery, growth, and self-compassion. It's not uncommon to believe that self-love is only necessary when facing hardships, but it's equally important during times of success and happiness to maintain a positive sense of self. Some may see self-love as an excuse for self-indulgence or laziness, but in reality, it fosters motivation, ambition, and a desire for personal improvement. There's a misconception that self-love is an individual pursuit, but it can also be enhanced through meaningful connections and supportive relationships with others. It's a myth that self-love requires perfection or having it all together. It's about acknowledging imperfections and embracing the journey of self-improvement. Many people think that self-love is a luxury for those who have an abundance of time and resources, but it's a fundamental aspect of overall well-being that can be cultivated by anyone regardless of their circumstances.